Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll be talking about Elementor AI image generator, where you can generate images just by giving prompts and you can generate custom images. So if you have a WordPress website with Elementor and you want to generate your own images, which will be royalty free images that you can use on any website, you can do it easily by watching this video. And to learn more about Elementor AI, you can just follow this link in the description, which will take you to this page. Here you can see experience the power of AI for creating images. Now these are some examples given to you. For example, if you need portrait images for testimonial, you can use this prompt. You can use this prompt for creating graded backgrounds, urban beauty, piece of cake and so on. But these are just a few prompts just to show you, and you can use your own prompts, you can use your own text and you can generate your own images, which we will cover later in this video. So let's see how we can do this. The first thing is you will need to have a website like this and just edit any page with Elementor. I have opened this page with Elementor. And now I can edit any image and I can replace them with AI image, or I can use a new image. Just to show you, I'll use a new one. So we'll go to elements and we'll use image element. This is just an empty placeholder image, and to generate an image you can just click on this create with AI, and here you can just approve this. Imagine anything, create everything. Now you can describe your image. And then you can choose the image type, the style and the aspect ratio, and then you can click on generate images. So let's write anything here, like I'll use Eiffel Tower at sunset. This is just to show you, okay? Then I'll choose photographic, or I can choose background, digital art, homemade, 3D, but let's keep photographic. And for the style we will choose landscape, and this is the aspect ratio, so you can use landscape or portrait images. Let's use this one. Let's use this, and then we'll click generate images. See the images. So this is Eiffel Tower at sunset, this one, this is another one, and so on. So now you can use any of these images. Let's say I like this one, so I'll use this. Now we have that image over here that is generated by AI. If you want to enhance this, you can click again, and now you can use these tools like expand image, generate fill, resize and variation. To expand this, you can click on this and you can change the value here. So this is how it will look if you expand this, and you can also change the aspect ratio here to make it square, landscape or portrait. Let's go back, and this is generative fill. So if you want to add another thing here, you can use this, like, so I'll highlight an area here and then we'll give this a prompt to fill this with that thing. Like, let me show you. I'll use this 40 and I highlighted this area, and we'll write something like put a bar here. This is just an example, you can write anything. There is some error, maybe my internet connection, and you can also try enhancing your input. So I'll click on enhance. Now this will enhance my input here like this. A luxury convertible car on a windy coastal, so I'll just generate. Now you can see the results. So the highlighted area was not enough, so that's why the car is corrupted. But if you cover more area, this will be perfect. Let's don't use any of these because these are not good. Let's go back, and this is the resize option, so you can resize the images, and this is now in 512. I can increase this all the way to 1024. Now this will enhance this image and will resize it. And this is variations. So if you want to try something else with this image, you can use variations. Like you can give another prompt, you can choose the image type, the style, the landscape again, and then you can generate more images. And let's go back and let's close this. And this is one image. Now let's try something else, okay? So I'll use another image. And this time let's use one of their prompts from their website, like okay, this one, this is for interior design. I'll copy this and we'll go back to Elementor, we'll paste it here, and again you can choose the image type to be photographic, background and so on, and you can choose the style. So again I'll use landscape and landscape with this, and we'll click generate images. see these are some interior design images, and again you can customize these. So let's say I want to use this one, I can just use this or I can edit this again. So let's click on this. Now this will open those edit options. The first thing is I want to resize this, so I'll use this size, we'll generate. Now the image is in high quality. Let's go back and let's try putting something here. So I'll use generative fill and we'll highlight this area, and okay, let's try something like, and we'll click generate. Now you can see a was here. This is not perfect. Now you can see the was here. The image is not perfect, but they will improve it. This was just to show you how you can use generative fill. So this was Elementor AI generator where you can generate images based on the text. And again, you can just follow this link and you can get more ideas from here. Let's copy this one and I'll use this one and we'll paste that prompt. We'll leave it as it is. We'll click generate. So you can see how cool this is. And let's say I want to use this one. So I'll edit this and I'll write something here. So we'll use the stroke again. We'll highlight this area, and this time let's try something. That's it. Okay, so write softexpert and expert. So the generative fill is not working well, but this is how you can generate images using AI and using Elementor absolutely for free. And if you want to upgrade and use Elementor Pro, you can just follow the link in the description. There is a discount link for Elementor Pro also. So that's it for this video. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.